Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to prevent people from using your posts on Instagram guides. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will appear from the bottom. Select Settings. Now go to Privacy. Under Interactions, tap on Guides. Here you will find Allow others to use your posts. Simply tap the slider to turn it off. From now on, other people won't be able to add your posts to their guides. So in this way, you can prevent people from using your posts on Instagram guides. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.